How to deposit checks using the Chase mobile app. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can easily deposit your checks using the mobile application on Chase. First thing you have to do is make sure to log into your account and open up the application. After that, you'll see your home screen with your account information, and at the bottom, you have your navigation bar. Go ahead and tap on the pay and transfer options right beside accounts. And once you get to this page, you'll see different options on pay and transfer. And at the very end, you'll see the option to deposit checks. Go ahead and tap on this option right here. Then you can choose which account you want to deposit it in. Just select your account. Once you've selected it, just go ahead and tap on it and enter the amount that you want to deposit. And after this, you're going to have to take a picture of front and back of your check, making sure everything is visible. And then you just need to confirm it. So once you have taken your device confirmation to open the camera and click a picture of your check front and back, you'll get your routing number as well as your account number. And just tap on the deposit option at the bottom. Then you're going to have to confirm and tap on yes. And now you should be good to go. So that's how you basically deposit a check using your Chase mobile bank application. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.